Hello everyone, my name is Zakir and I welcome all of you in this computer networking course. In this video, we are going to discuss about bridge networking device. This is our fourth lecture about networking devices. Before that, we have discussed about hub, switch, router and repeater networking device. If you did not watch these videos, then check our networking playlist so that you can clearly understand what we are going to discuss in upcoming videos. So today, we are going to discuss about bridge networking device. So without wasting any more time, let's start. A bridge is a network device that connects multiple LANs together to form a larger LAN. The process of aggregating networks is called network bridging. A bridge connects the different components so that they appear as parts of a single network. As you can see in this diagram how bridge connects two LANs. Now let's discuss about some uses of a bridge network device. Bridge connects two or more different LANs that has a similar protocol and provides communication between the devices in them. Bridge joins multiple LANs and help in multiplying the network capacity of a single LAN. Since they operate at data link layer, they transmit data as data frames. On receiving a data frame, the bridge consults a database to decide whether to pass, transmit or discard the frame. If the frame has a destination MAC address in the same network, the bridge passes the frame to that node and then discards it. Bridge also connects virtual LANs to make larger virtual LANs. A wireless bridge is used to connect wireless networks. So these are some uses of bridge network device. Now let's see the working of a bridge. Suppose we have two local area networks. Now to connect these two local area networks, we use a bridge. Now the bridge interconnects these two networks. That is the working of a bridge. And the very important point to note about the bridge is that the bridge interconnects two networks that are running on the same protocol. So same protocol is very important point. Now at the end, let's take a short look at the summary of this lecture. So in this lecture, we have learned about bridge, which is a networking device that connects multiple LANs together to form a larger LAN. The process of aggregating networks is called network bridging. We can use bridge to connect multiple LANs and help in multiplying the network capacity of a single LAN. And also a wireless bridge is used to connect wireless networks. And the very important point note about the bridge is that bridge interconnects two networks that are running on the same protocol. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel Crash4 for more informative videos related to technology, ethical hacking, cybersecurity and networking. See you next time. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.